task force are governors who represent more than 50% of the world's tropical forests and $2.6 trillion of the global economy. Governors from Brazil, from the United States, and from Indonesia. The province of Aceh is the only place in Southeast Asia still sustaining all the animals portrayed in the classic children's tale The Jungle Book. And Aceh, along with East Kalimantan and Papua, offer some of the world's most promising REDD projects.
I want to develop more forests. Out of 1 million hectares, there are 250,000 hectares will be dedicated for the reforestation, as well as equal number will be dedicated to community forestry.